Yeah. Yo, this is day 5 of improving my articulation by using a pencil. Wait, just gonna set a timer. So wait a minute. Ah, hmm, fucking head. 1 minute. Peter picked a critical topic to debate today. The bitter public critique quickly criticized the petty tactics of the corporate board. Boldly, the dedicated director demanded deep data to document the catastrophic decline in local productivity. Packets of paperwood cluttered the crowded countertop, creating chaotic confusion. Competent partners practically predicted a bitter battle, but the bold captain, 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 captain kept his cool demeanor. Tactfully, they tracked every broken contract, tracking dynamic. Thanks for watching.